You probably use Google Maps to find restaurants, salons, hotels, and other businesses. But what if I told you that you can use Google Maps to find businesses that may need your help and turn that skill into a paid services? And no, I am not talking about driving people around, delivering food, or becoming a taxi driver. You can do this as a service business using your phone or computer. But there is something important you need to know first, because there are a lot of misleading videos about making money from Google Maps. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception. Google does have a program called Local Guides. Local Guides can contribute reviews, photos, information, and edits to Google Maps and earn points and badges. But Google does not promise regular cash payment for these contributions. So if you see someone saying Google Maps will pay you $50 for every review, don't automatically believe it. That's not the method we are talking about today. Instead, we are talking about using Google Maps to find potential business clients, and this is where things get interesting. Businesses want customers to find them online. When somebody searches for a restaurant, salon, hotel, mechanic, or another local service, Google Search and Google Maps can be extremely important. Businesses can have a Google Business profile where customers can find information such as their location, opening hours, photos, services, and reviews. And some business owners simply don't have the time to keep everything updated. That's where you can offer your help. You could provide services such as helping maintain their business profile, organizing information, updating details provided by the businesses, adding photos supplied by the owner, helping prepare posts, or assisting with review responses. Google allows businesses to work with third-party providers to manage their businesses, profiles, and those providers can charge business for their services. So instead of waiting for Google to pay you, you get paid by the business you're helping. How to find clients? Now, here's the part I really like. You can use Google Maps itself to find potential clients. Let's say you decide to work with salons. Open Google Maps and search for salons in an area you are targeting. Now, look through the businesses. You are not looking for business to criticize. You are looking for business where you can genuinely provide useful help. Maybe the information is outdated. Maybe customers have left questions or reviews that haven't been addressed. This can give you an idea of where your services might be useful. And remember, don't make up problems just to get a client. If the business already has a great profile, move on. You are looking for businesses where you can actually add value. You don't have to sell 10 different services. Start simple. For example, you could offer a Google Business profile checkup. You review the profile and give the owner a list of things that could be improved. You could then offer to help them make the approved updates. Another option is ongoing management. For example, the business could pay you monthly to help keep their profile organized and up to date. The exact price depends on the amount of work, your experience, and your market. Don't promise a business that you will magically put them at number 1 on Google, and don't guarantee a specific ranking. Instead, charge for the work you are actually providing. Now, how do you approach a business without sounding like a spammer? Keep it simple. Find the business legitimate contact information through its website or other public contact channels. Then introduce yourself. You could say something like, "Hi, I help local businesses maintain and improve their Google business profile. I noticed a few areas on your profile that may be worth updating. I'll be happy to show you what I found and explain how I could help. That's it. Don't send a giant paragraph. Don't promise overnight results. And don't pretend you are working for Google. You are an independent service provider. If they are interested, explain exactly what you will be offering and what you will charge. If they are not interested, thank them and move on. Now, what if you have never done this before? Don't pretend that you have. Learn fast. Study how Google business profiles work. Look at different business profiles. Practice identifying information that could be improved. Practice writing professional responses to customer reviews. You can even create a sample audit using a fictional business or business you have permission to analyze. The goal is to become confident enough to offer a real service. And once you get your first client, focus on doing an excellent job. One happy client can be more valuable than sending hundreds of random messages. Important warnings. There are a few things you absolutely should not do. Don't create fake reviews. Don't buy fake reviews. Don't copy somebody else's photos. Don't make unauthorized changes to a business profile. And never ask a client to give you their Google password. Businesses can use Google account access system to give authorized people the appropriate access. Also, don't tell clients you are a Google employee or official Google representative if you are not. Be honest about who you are and what services you are providing. So, can Google Maps make you money? Not in the way many viral videos claim. Google isn't simply handing you cash for every review or photo you upload. But Google Maps can help you discover businesses, understand their online presence, and find potential clients for a service you provide. And that's the real opportunity. You don't need to drive, you don't need a huge following, and you don't need to wait for Google to pay you. You need a useful skill, a professional approach, and a business that are willing to pay for that help. So, if you are looking for another way to start an online service business, this could be something worth learning. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you try offering Google Business Profile services to businesses? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.